ready to transform your Squarespace site into a thriving content hub. First, let's get your blog set up. Navigate to your Squarespace dashboard and click on Pages. In the left-hand menu then, select Blog to add a new blog page if you don't have one already, or click an existing blog to edit it. This is where all your blog magic will happen. Now, to create a new post, click the plus icon next to your blog's title in the Pages panel. This opens the post editor. It's like a blank canvas, ready for your ideas. Squarespace offers versatile post formats to make your content shine. Click on the Add Block button, often represented by a plus sign, and explore options like text, images, galleries, and even embedded videos. Mix and match these blocks to create visually rich and engaging articles. To write your post, simply click into the text area and start typing. Don't forget to add a compelling title that grabs attention and accurately reflects your content. For better visibility, optimize your posts for search engines using keywords in your title and content. You can also add a featured image that represents your article and will appear prominently on your blog feed. Ready to promote your masterpiece? Once your post is published, share its link across your social media channels, via email newsletters, or through any other marketing platforms you use. Squarespace makes it easy to link directly from your site. Remember, consistent posting and engaging with your audience through comments will foster a loyal readership. Experiment with different formats and find what resonates best with your followers. So, start creating, sharing, and watch your Squarespace blog flourish.